Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reconnect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the Torx bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.